Hello, welcome to another unboxing. This time it's the Noctua NF-A15 HS-PWM Chromax black swap fan. This is a PWM 140 by 150 by 25 mils and is another in the Chromax range if you're like me and you want to bling up your PC a bit and get all black. And here it is in his glory. So this is the one for the D15 cooler. Now normally there are two of these which fit in the D15 and this helps with RAM and whatever, but in my case I've got a mid-sized ATX case, Corsair one, and this is too big for the above the RAM, because the RAM, I've got the Ryzen RAM and unfortunately two of these don't fit, so I've got this size and another one. And that's the exhaust fan I just did in the last video for comparison. So I'm imagining we get the same in this box. So here we go again. So there's these strange connectors. I'd be interested if anyone wants to leave a comment as to why they have gone for these connectors like this. Because I preferred it the way it was, sorry. So there we are. This one is 0.13 amps, is 1.56 watts and is 12 volts. Not much else to say about that. And here are the extra shock absorbers. I can open the packet, not very easily. Swappable anti-vibration pads by Noctua. Oh, seems to be quite a few in this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I've got 7 black. Oh, 7 black. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm hoping I've got 8 green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So at least this time you've got the colours for both sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, that's a bit odd, isn't it? Let me just check that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Two joined together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So unfortunately for me, I've got one black one missing, but I'm going for the green accent this time. But that's a bit disappointing. But I expect with one call to Noctua, they would probably send you one straight away without hesitation, because they are pretty good. Oh, I see. So careful we put these. I'm just thinking this one mounts with wire onto the D15 cooler, so will it be interesting to see. So obviously you can use this in other scenarios. It'll be interesting to see if these actually play a part there, or they're really only for when you mount against something metallic, something flat. I'll pause it while I do these. So there we are, fitted with green accent on both sides. And again with this unpluggable thing, which I'd rather not have. It's amazing. They change the colour, but then they start messing around with the rest of it. Why not just change the colour and leave the rest as is? Because they're good fans. Oh dear, I really need my glasses on to see what I'm doing here. How about the other end, Jay? Try that. There we go. So there we are. That's the second in the videos on the Chromax range. So thanks for watching and see you next time.